So let me see. The first and foremost thing that I tell people is essentially also to test their level of interest. Is it just like a quick thought that came that morning in their mind, or is it a long-term interest that they have, right? So first and foremost thing that I tell is that, see, these are very vast and deep fields. So do not look for quick wins. It's not going to happen over a few days or a few weeks or something. It's not a sprint. It's a marathon. So prepare for that, right? So that's the first philosophical advice that I give. Now, coming to specifics, there is no dearth of materials on the internet. To get started, for intermediate, for advanced, and if you spend a couple of days, you can find enough material, and you can create a customized content repository for you, for yourself, what it suits better, and create that, right? Of course, and if there are specific points you want to discuss, you can request for time through BigShyft, and I'll be happy to talk to you guys. But building on my first advice, plan for a long stint and plan for a regular stint. It's not that you do something for 3 days extensively and then again you don't do anything and come back after 2 months, right? Make it a plan. Like every week you will spend 5 hours, 7 hours on these things, and probably have to do it for months, right? If not year or more than that, right? At least to get a sense of what's going on. And especially I tell people that stay away from all those course advertisements which promises to make you data scientist in a day, or so on and so forth, right? It's really a long journey, right? The field has changed. I'm not getting into the theoretical aspects of the field, right? I'm assuming a lot more people are these days interested in applied data science. But even for doing applied data science, you need to spend that time and effort to actually build that skill set in yourself.